Wow, that's a lot of fish. You think they like bread?
They probably get this every day.
That's a lot of fish there.
Charlie, need your fishing pole.
Whoa.
Catfish?
Those are yucky fish.
Hmm.
With whiskers, eh? Did you get the whiskers?
That's catfish, right?
Yep. That's why they're called catfish, because of those whiskers.
Oh. There you go. What you feeding them anyway?
Johnny cake. These are Belizean Johnny cakes. Very
Johnny cakes?
Yeah, very common.
Oh, catfish love the Johnny cakes. I feel like I can just reach my hand down there and scoop them out.
They're all about the same size.
Do they bite? Let's see.
Can you grab one by the tail? Put the thing around your wrist, hon.
Oh, yeah.
What do you think they,
Okay.
It's a feeding frenzy.
Catfish love Johnny cakes.
Wow, what are those for?